My name is Gita Yunadia Putri. I'm from Universitas Malahayati, Fakultas PSI. Here I will explain about fever. Fever, body temperature is the temperature rising abnormally. Febrile or fever is a rise in body temperature above normal circadian variation as a result of change in the thermoregulatory center located in the anterior hypothalamus. Fever is a state where a temperature rise of up to 308 degrees Celsius or more. There is also a limitation which to over 37.8 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, when the body temperature of more than 40 degrees Celsius is called a hay fever. Fever is a rise in body temperature due to change in the hypothalamic thermoregulatory center. A person has a fever when his temperature above 378 degrees Celsius or a rectal temperature. Etiology: fever occurs when heat generation exceeds expenditure. Fever may be associated with infection, collagen disease, malignancy, metabolic disease, and other diseases. According to Guiton, fever can be caused by abnormalities in the brain itself or tonic substances that affect temperature regulation center, bacterial disease, brain tumor, or degradation. The cause of fever, other than infection, can also be caused by the state of tachypnea, malignancy, or reaction to the drug. Also at the center, distraction central temperature regulation. Pathophysiology: fever occurs as the body responds to a increase in the set point, but there is a increase in body temperature due to excessive heat generation but not accompanied by an increase in set point. Demam: fever is as the body's defense mechanism against infection or agitation. Children will get into his body. If there is infection or foreign substance enter the body, will stimulate the immune system to release pyrogens. Pyrogen is a substance cause fever. There is coming from within the body and outside the body, which can be derived from infection by a microorganism or an immunological reaction to various substances. Pyrogen further carries a message via the receiver phone on the body to be delivered to the heat regulating center in the hypothalamus. In this pyrogens, hypothalamus gets stimulated release of arachidonic acid and the resulting increase in the production of prostaglandins. This will cause a reaction, raise the temperature of the body by narrowing the peripheral blood vessels and inhibits the secretion of sweat glands. expanding heat decreased, there was an imbalance of the establishment and expenditure favor. Then causing favor is children. This high temperature activity army of the body to fight for egg subtension by increasing the protease which produce amino acid that play a role in the formation of antibodies or immune system. Clinic manifestation, signs and symptoms of fever among others. 1. Children are fuzzy, temperature higher than 378 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. 2. Skin redness, 3. Warm to the touch. 4. Increased respiration rate. And 5. Chills, 6. Dehydration, and 7. Loss of appetite. Management. 1. Physical. Monitor the condition of the client with periodic temperature measurement every 4 to 6 hours. Note whatever the child said are often suppressed, or also whether the child is tend to glitch upward or whether the child having a seizure. Fever accompanied by seizures that are too long to be harmful to the developing brain, because oxygen is not able to reach the brain. Interruption of oxygen supply to the brain would result in the direct destruction of brain cells. In such circumstances, a lifelong disability can occur in the form of damage to certain intellectual function. I. Open H7 clothing and bleach. B. Noting the airflow in the room. C. The airway must be open to prevent a loss of oxygen supply to the brain that will result in the direction of cell to brain cells. D. Give fluids by mouth during as much can be giving buttermilk, juice, or tea water. Their purpose is to be a bodily fluid evaporates due to the rise in body temperature gain instead. Anoxic sleep so that metabolism decreases. F. Compress with plain water on the forehead, armpits, groin. The goal is to lower the body temperature of the child's body surface. 2. Drugs antipyretic. Antipyretic works centrally lower the temperature in the temperature control center in the hypothalamus. Antiseptic usually full to prevent the formation of prostaglandins by inhibiting the siloxygenase enzyme so that the hypothalamic set point is lowered back to normal, which ruled production heat above normal and reduced heat loss no longer exist, especially of its drug is paracetamol.